Balance sheet report. A balance sheet is a financial statement that provides a snapshot of a company's financial position at a specific point in time. It summarizes the assets, liabilities, and equity of a business and shows how these items are financed. The balance sheet is a critical tool for investors, lenders, and other stakeholders as it provides information about the company's financial health, liquidity, and solvency. It is used to assess the company's ability to pay its debts and to fund future growth and expansion. By comparing the company's assets and liabilities, investors can determine the net worth or book value of the company. The balance sheet is typically prepared at the end of each accounting period and is an essential part of a company's financial reporting process. You can access this report from Accountants area, Reports, Management Reports, Balance Sheet. You can select Run and Date. You can view balance sheet group detail or summary report. After that, you can view report. In balance sheet report, you can view assets. Under assets, you can view non-current assets, current assets. You can view equity and liabilities. Under that, you can view owner's equity, non-current liabilities, and current liabilities. The total assets and total equity and liabilities should be equal. Furthermore, you can view total non-current assets, total current assets, total assets. You can view total owner's equity, total non-current liabilities, total current liabilities, and total equity and liabilities. If you have created any reporting groups, and if you check this display reporting group detail, system will display each account under report group name. If you uncheck this report and refresh, you can view summary line for this reporting group. You will check again the reporting group detail checkbox and refresh. Here, system will display group name and accounts under each group. If you want to view summary report, you can uncheck this report, and if you want to view details, you can check this report. You can click this account and you can view details. You can export this report to PDF, Excel, and CSV. You can print or email this balance sheet report. Furthermore, you can select any date as run-end date. You can backdate it and you can generate the report for any audit purposes.